Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got euro USD, we've got gold, USDCAD and DXY. Starting off with pound USD, let's look at the daily time frame here. We've seen this past week, we've seen serious bullish candles all the way. In fact, this past 2 weeks we've seen a rise from 1.2350 regions all the way to 1.29 psychological levels here, very close to 130. What I would anticipate right now is a pullback before a continuation. I think price is probably exhausting. We've seen that make that move here, pull back a little bit before it continued, even though my anticipation was to pull back to like the 1.25 psychological level. Sliding down to the 4 hours time frame, my anticipation would be a pullback to these regions here, or this one here, 1.26 or 1.27 region, before continuing to the upside. And I might do that counter trend trading over here if I see price break below this small support level created here on the hourly time frame. Okay, so it will be something of that nature, more like I think like this is the left shoulder formed a head. Maybe we'll get that second shoulder, but this would be like the neckline, and then I would sell to these regions or these regions before continuing to the upside. So back on the 4 hours time frame, so we can draw our line. My anticipation would be for price to really break below this region here, retest it, and then we can sell to these regions or these regions here. And then right after that, if we get this pullback from there, we can now continue our buys, of course. Now the reason is we're actually on a bullish movement, we're on a bullish trend. My anticipation is that price will come all the way to 1.30. so but for now, price will not always just surge all the way to the upside. We always get pullbacks and then a continuation, so we might capitalize on that pullback to the downside. Okay, pull back to the downside, then we can continue to the upside. Okay, that is exactly what I'll be looking out for here on pound USD. Similarly on euro USD, they both correlate. I'm anticipating the same thing. As you can see on the daily time frame, looks like even the euro USD is making more moves than the pound USD. But yeah, similarly, I'll be looking out for a pullback to this region, so 1.06, before a continuation to the upside. So I might be looking out for a counter trend trade below this, so something like this below retest to come back to 1.0630. If possible, we might even see 1.0540 or 1.0550 regions before we can actually continue to the upside. So we can actually get that, or we can get a continuation from here. Let me just reduce this to this way, okay? Or we can get from this region here. Okay. All right, that's that for euro USD. Gold, we've seen price consolidate within these regions here, so ideally what we're looking out for is a break and a retest. So a break of price above these regions, let's slide to the 1 hour time frame. A break of price above this region here, we'll continue our buys to the upside, and below we'll look for sell opportunities. Okay, to the downside. Okay, so this is more like it. This is more like what we'll be looking out for here on gold. Okay, that being said, yeah, basically this is what I'm looking out for. USDCAD, actually I don't want to really like look into USDCAD. USDCAD is not really showing me what I want to see, but let's just say this is a retest to this region here. I'll be looking out to really sell or buy above this region and below this region. Okay, basically. All right, don't mind the drawing, but this is what I'm looking out for USDCAD. All right, DXY, if you see from the daily time frame, we've approached a very significant support level of 1.103.50 psychological level right there. The ideal thing here is for price to actually pull back to these regions here before we can continue to probably break retest and continue to the downside. So this pullback anticipation is why I'm looking to have a sell opportunity, like a pullback opportunity to these regions here on pound USD, and then a pullback here on euro USD before the continuation to the upside. Okay, so if that plays out, if price start rejecting and come to this region, we'll definitely be looking for sell opportunities in pound USD and euro USD. Okay, But if price opens and continues to surge and we get a break of price below these regions, then fine, we'll anticipate that would be a continuation to the downside regardless. Okay, all right, that's that for the week. I'll see you guys for midweek and see what happens between now and Wednesday. Make sure you back some peeps. I'll see you guys for the update soon, Wednesday. So have a nice day. Ciao.